This moment when we were in La Nueva España, and well, I know two versions. There's one version that says that before Cortés arrives to Mexico Tenochtitlan and conquers Mexico, there was a woman or a spirit that would go around Mexico Tenochtitlan crying for their kids. And some people said that La Llorona, or that version of La Llorona, it was this lady crying for her kids who were all Mexicas, all the people living in Mexico Tenochtitlan. Because Hernán Cortés was going to conquer Mexico Tenochtitlan and their culture was going to change, not disappear, but change. Another version says that it was a woman who was from the high elites of La Nueva España, Spanish Empire, and one day his kids got, they died from a sickness, and after that she started wandering around the city crying for her kids. Some versions also say that she would kidnap your kids, or if you see her, if you hear her midnight crying for her kids, the best thing that you can do is sleep. So that's more or less the legend of La Llorona. Now in Xochimilco, especially during this time of the year, they present a play where, more or less like this, for example, you have a chinampa with a stage, and then the trajineras, they get aligned in a semicircle to see the play. So it's kind of like a night experience, basically to tell the myth of La Llorona.
Thank you. Maybe my head is their head.
¿Se va? Bien, ¿y a ti?
¿Todo bien? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Mezcal? Ah.
Los borrachos. Las borrachas. Tenemos de trajinera, ya. Yes.
¿Y tú? ¿Cómo?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, Dan. Sí, sí.
Dice que tal vez una de las mejores
Like so strict. Oh my god, the Uber ride was so funny.
The video
And then we passed this bar that actually wasn't far from like the hotel. And it was like happening. Remember that bar that wasn't far from the hotel that was happening?
Oh, did I ask to get dropped off?
What?
Did I ask to get dropped off?
You went to another bar? No, but this bar, it wasn't far from the hotel and it was busy.
Yeah.
You're staying in a very busy area. That's where locals we go to look for nightlife.
¿Tienes el
The area where I'm staying, like nearby the
El Bristol.
and then one
Doing a good job so far.
Ah, ya lo vi.
Con el dedal. Mira, con este. Ay, ¿dónde las eché?
Oh, that's cool. What are those?
Con el dedal.
familia.
I guess they're looking for different colors here.
Nada más. Voy a usar tus nails. Sí. Ponle.
Bugambilias.
Ah, de rosa. Ese se ve más diamante. ¿Este es agua? Sí, todo eso es agua.
With some honey and sometimes ginger.
Luis, por favor, puedes intentar no ir pegado para que puedan ir viendo, o sea, que vaya uno más adelante que el otro. Gracias.
Ay, apenas lo puse. Por una cosa.
You have had to swim in and get it.
O sea, ni siquiera
Or make it
en mi
the
cabecita lo hice bien. Me compré unos papeles pintados con tenía unas velas aquí. Y hoy en la mañana así nomás acomodé el papel pegado en el librero, acomodé la medication sticky,
after their prayers.
pues ahorita en la tarde.
Then my prayers go back on the soul. It says a lot about humanity.
That's what I said. It's kind of a lot of
But we did it again just for the speed till they come back. Freak out.
No, today we lived there.
Yeah, if this one
That's their
says
house. That's their land.
that's a good
Yeah. Oh, so they bought from there?
They own it either because it was their parents and their great grandparents, or because they bought it.
I don't know.
That's another situation, like social situation, especially happening in Xochimilco. And I think that it was touching that situation with the football court, sorry, soccer.
Maybe a ladder. Who
Because
knows?
here this
Usually
guy
it's
he's
a
working
spam
the
one,
land.
but maybe this one's good.
It's probably not his hobby. That's the way he earns his life. And we're living in a moment where little by little that job is less paid or less valued than some others. So in some occasions, sometimes it's better for your lifestyle to sell the land and then try buying another, like a business or a place in a market closer to Mexico downtown. Also, the next generations, they are not really into working the land, so they're